All right. Welcome back once again. Today we're discussing now on dictionary. Dictionary happens to be one of the four data type collection in Python. So we have listed earlier on that dictionary is a collection that is ordered and changeable, and that does not allow for any duplicate member. So we'll just get straight to the point. You're going to look at how dictionary is being written in Python, and then how can you work with dictionary. Dictionaries are used to store data value in key value pairs. So a dictionary is a collection that is ordered, you said earlier, is changeable and do not allow for duplications or do not allow for duplicates. Python version 3.7 dictionaries were ordered, but in that's dictionary are ordered in Python 3.7, but in Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are not unordered. So dictionary are actually written with brace brackets in this format. Brace brackets. So this is how dictionary is being written. Sorry, I said brace bracket in a curly bracket. So dictionary are actually written in a curly bracket, and they have key and value. So we'll look at an example right now, and then so we would better understand how dictionary is being written. So all right. So put my curly bracket inside. I have my key. So I'm going to use this to serve as, now this is my value, so my brand, then I call it my model. The model of this brand is a Mustang. Then we have the year 1950. So yes, so if I don't print this out right now, print this dick. So okay, so I'm going to run this right now. Press to run, and so see, so this is the value it brings out when I run this dictionary. Okay, so dictionary items, they are actually ordered, they are changeable and do not allow for duplicates members. So dictionary items are presented in key value pairs. We said that earlier on, and then we have to see this. So this is actually a key. This is a value, a value. So it's written in this format: key, then dot, the value. So this is how a dictionary is being written out. Okay, so so now if I want to print out the value of the key called brand. So I'll do it like this. I'll say print. So I'll say this diction. So I'm going to put it in a brace bracket. Then I'll put in my brand. So this I'm calling the key brand. So I want to get a value of it. So if I want to run it, let me clear out so we're not confused. So I want to run this. So see, I get Ford. Yes. So if you want to do that and change it, I want to get for your year, and then you print it out, you're gonna get the year right there. So see, it's working. So now ordered or unordered. When we say a dictionary are ordered, it means that the item have a defined order, and that order will not change. So unordered means that the item do not have a definite or a defined order, and you cannot refer to an item by using an index. So once you see that your dictionary, your dictionary is ordered, what this means is that the items have a definite, a definite and a defined order, and that order cannot be changed. So when it's on order, then you see the item actually do not have a defined order, and you cannot refer to that item by using index. So you are using that index and 01012, you cannot refer it. So the next also changeable. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, we can add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. So you can do some manipulation on our dictionary even after they've been created. And then lastly, duplicates are not allowed. So dictionary cannot have two items with the same key. It's not possible. So if this happens, dictionary will cause an overriding of the value. So if I have, for instance, now have this already, and then I'm going to create a new one. I have one year, and I create a new year again with a different date, say 2006. So what will happen is 2006. So if I do that and I'm trying to print out the year, you see that it will override the former one. So you see, so it does not allow for duplication of value. Okay, so now checking for dictionary length. Remember the function we use to take dictionary length. We use this, right? So I want to check the length of my dictionary. It's easy. So I'll put this in my function called len. Then I put in my word right there. So I'm going to comment this out. So I'm going to do it for now. So I'm going to run this right now, and you see the length of my dictionary is actually 3, still overriding the first one I have right here. So if I move this and I see clear screen and print it again, we're still going to have 3. It's literally the same thing, 3. Yes, so we have the length of 3 for our dictionary right here. All right, so dictionary item data types. So now the value in your dictionary can be of any data types. You can allow you to have a string, an integer, a boolean, and so on. It can allow. So if, for example, we have this right now, and then I'm going to say a key of electric to have a value of force is not electric. Okay, then I'm putting color. There's a colors, the colors of the diction of this kind of column I'm referring to, and then these have put in an array, for instance, of red, of white, of blue. Okay, so now if I do run this right now, so I'm going to remove this away, this stuff, and then kind of clear my screen and then run this. So you see what's happening. See, everything comes out properly, and it shows that it allows for all form of what's the name of data type, the int, the boolean, the string. Yeah, so let's see another one again. Type. So we did this earlier on in different lessons ahead, and we spoke about the function of type. So you can get the type of the type of any compound structure you are doing, either an array, a string, or stuff like that. So we want to check in the type of our diction, which already we know already as dict. So the dict. So okay, so I must say from the Python perspective, dictionaries are defined as objects with the data type dict. So dict. So I'm going to do this right now. So right, this I have already the name of this already. So what I'll do, I'll put this in my type and put it there, and then I'll print it out. Let me clear my screen, and then I'll print it out. What I get, yeah. So we see that it actually works. Okay, so now we also have the dict construct. Okay, the dict construct. So it is possible to use dict construct to make a dictionary. So if I'm going to do this, I can say this diction const let's use this name instead. So I'll say dict. So I want to use the construct is equals to the name is equals to what? John. The age is equals to 36, and the country is equals to Nigeria. All right, so then I'm going to say print this. Okay, so once I clear the screen and then once I come out of source, I'll comment that out. So does this gonna work? So once I run my code, I getting out my value. So see, it's working. So with the dict construct, we are actually can create as a dictionary. So yeah, so that's that for dictionary. See you in the next class. Bye for now.